Well, I'm coming home in the dark. I met a lady with a whole box of Pampered Chef's knives and 3 lawnmower blades about an hour ago. I met her at the pool hall. She lives closer to the pool hall than she does my house, and I was at the pool hall playing pool. Or actually, I was watching a continuation of a one-pocket tournament, the Virginia State one-pocket tournament that got held up last night because of the weather. It was transformer blowed, and they had to continue the match today. Anyway, I get them out when I get home and take a look at them. I think I did them 3 years ago, believe it or not. She said my knives are getting dull. I said, okay, I can understand that. I'll get back to you in a minute. Well, I will say one thing. This lady must have the most immaculate lawn in Virginia. I've never seen a lawnmower blades with not one single nick anywhere. That's unbelievable. And they're halfway clean. That's breathtaking right there. Well, there they are. 14 Pampered Chefs. Big bread knives, chef's knives, Antucos, pears, tomato, and steak. Give me something to do tomorrow on Tuesday.